You will be amazed by this 2021 Audi A5. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The A5 Sportback delivers a distinguished athletic driving experience that's technology-rich and passenger-friendly. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Safe and comfortable can also be exhilarating. See how in the A5 Sportback.